We're driving along 280 going to San Francisco. It's like a 2-mile stretch. The Serramonte Boulevard on that side. Oh no, coming next right. It's like cloudy here today.
Yeah. May approaching na parang,
Where?
ayun o.
Yeah, that's a fog. You not?
Oo.
Yeah.
Iba talaga. I can't focus the video. Ayun.
Yeah, that's a view. You know, typical San Francisco, non-Victorian
Suburb.
houses.
Pero ang ganda rin ng mga Victorians, ha?
Oh yeah.
As in,
mismo yun sa city.
yeah, actually, I know of this tour na itinatour mo yung mga Victorian houses. Gusto ko nga take yun eh. Apparently, it starts at 9:45 a.m.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, if I make it there at 9:45 a.m., $30 in tour, I think. Yun, they would even, explain to you the different styles of Victoria. San Francisco.
Downtown.
Downtown. Wala silang masyadong skyscrapers, no?
Because this is an earthquake prone. You know the history of San Francisco? The 1906 earthquake. It's the great earthquake that ruined San Francisco. So,
Oh, there's Bryan Street.
Bryan Street.
Oh my God! So it will be easy for us to go.
Yes.
Apparently. At alam mo ba, I already checked the internet kung anong gagamitin kong bar, kung anong gagamitin kong bus.
That's a good thing though. You know?
Yung alin? Yung 50 minutes lang na tumagal. Alam mo, nasarahan kami nung yung parking.
Oh!
As in! And then nakalagay doon, what's this? Cars that are left.
Towed.
No. It's inside parking. Cars that are left behind can be reclaimed on the next business day, which is Monday. Ibig sabihin, wala kaming what do you call this? Wala kaming sasakyan for the whole of Sunday. Ito di makakauwi. Alive pa naman namin, right?
Right.
All the way downtown, malapit sa Union Square. Tapos kami, magkukumit kami to Burlingame. And then there's like, how many of us? 8 of us. Kaloka talaga. Kasi, kasi nga sila
This is the Moscone Center.
yeah.
Conference, ito ginagawa yung mga conference.
Ruining your life? Do you have more
This is
payday loans
downtown.
than you're able to
Yeah.
pay back right now? If you
Ano
have
tong
two or
building
more
na to?
payday loan cash advances,
I don't know
listen
what's that
closely.
building.
You may be eligible for a payday loan consolidation program that payday loan companies
It's really
don't want
much
you to know
better
about.
to take
Let
video
PDL assist you help you
sometimes.
consolidate and
Yeah.
sell your
Kasi
payday
you
loans
can
into
take
one
it
Which is
in
Market Street, the historic Market Street. We're gonna cross.
experienced and trusted payday loan consolidation firm will help you get payday loan stores out of your bank account. So call 1-800-700-4333 to find out if payday
This
loan
is the
consolidation is
government
right for
of,
you. All you need is
San
two or more payday
Francisco,
loan cash advances
the
to
City Hall,
qualify, even if you're behind
and
in
it's,
collections or have bad credit.
yeah.
Call PDL Assistance.
Yun. Tapos,
that's a City Hall.
ay, cool.
That's the San Francisco City Hall.
Nice.
That one is the I think that's the Museum of Modern Asian Art Museum, Modern History.
Okay, we're going
No
towards
turn right.
Market Street.
So we're just gonna no turn right. Tayo
Okay.
ikot tayo.
Sige. Anong church yan?
I don't know, it's somewhere in Mission Street.
We're in Mission na?
Yeah, this is Mission.
Ah, yeah, right.
This is where the Latinos are. Also
Oo
the
nga daw
Latinos.
eh.
And most of the nicest clubs you can find actually on the south, north area pala, east, west area.
What's nice about the club?
you know, the salsa, mga ganon.
Yeah. Uy, gusto ko yun. Sayang.
But they're usually open during the weekend. Mas maganda pag weekend.
Oh, ano to?
Some sort of whatever. Goodwill.
Oo
Goodwill
nga.
yung pinakamura. If you wanna go for cheap, very, very, very cheap commodities. You know, I don't mind shopping at Goodwill.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
Register today for the San Francisco Bay Area Breast Cancer.
Ganda
And
na.
when you drive here, sometimes it gets like 90 degrees or 80, 70 degrees. Kaya it's hard to drive if you're using a stick.
Susan G. Komen for the cure.
I don't understand. How come?
Because it's pababa. This is Haight and Masonic, where you find the extraordinary mga hippie.
Oh my
you know,
God! I want,
mga
I want a
hippie,
picture of those.
Yeah. See, Frederick would like it here.
Feeling ko din.
Kasi mga dito na yung mga out of this world. This is Haight and Ashbury. Ashbury and Haight. This is Ben and Jerry's.
The original Ben and
I guess, yeah.
Jerry's.
That's it.
Together, we can reduce what
Ben and
you owe and stop
Jerry's.
those harassing collection calls. We'll even design an affordable monthly payment.
Do you wanna stop?
You could
You wanna
save
stop?
thousands of dollars off.
Tonight? Okay lang, okay lang.
To me go and
If you have over
Sige, have a look around.
or debt, you could
you have a
automatically
picture in Haight and
So call
Ashbury.
Jordan McKenna now for a free. No
Kahit madilim na, no?
Find out.
Actually, the night is the one that, kasi dito, pag gabi, dito maganda yung mga lights. Kasi it's every, you know.
It's better at night, actually.
Well, yeah.
Oh, sige, let's.
Let me see if I can find a parking.
Sige, let's.
Of course,
Hopefully, we're
it's gonna
lucky
be a
again.
problem, yeah.
Actually, it's the perfect time. Pag night photography, mga ganitong oras.
Management, we help people deal with the anger
This is Clayton.
on cable TV over AT&T First
Let's see if I can turn around.
This doll represents the cable company.
It's so ugly.
Tell it how you feel.
Actually, it's a long stretch dito, stretch.